everyone, welcome back to Best Out of Best. In this video, we are diving into the top 5 most common issues users face with this popular kitchen appliance, and more importantly, the easy fixes that will help you get the most out of it. Runs hotter than expected. Reduce the preset temperature by 10 degrees Fahrenheit and monitor the progress more often. Using the shake reminder helps even out cooking. Long preheat time and slower air frying. Always preheat using the dedicated setting. Meanwhile, preparation food early, easy cut and oil wedges in advance. So it's ready when preheated. For speed, increase temperature by 10 to 5 to 10 degrees Fahrenheit and slightly shorten cook time. Inaccurate toast function. Use the bagel setting at boost top heat or flip toast midway. For consistent browning, preheat and rotate slices halfway through the cycle. Difficult to clean trays and drip pan. Line the drip pan with aluminum foil before cooking. Spray trays lightly with nonstick oil or use silicone mats. Hand wash trays shortly after use to prevent baked on residue. No interior light or unclear cooking positions. Pre-place trays and the recommended rack levels. They are labeled on the door. Use your phone's flashlight if needed, or clip a small LED light inside. Stick on battery LED. For visibility, open the door briefly mid-cycle to check. And that's it. 5 simple fixes for the COSORI Smart 12-in-1 air fryer. Thank you for watching. See you next time.